an issue is just overall rhythm, right? You look quick, you look fast on the way back, and fast on the way down, right? And the faster you kind of go, the faster you quit. You know, you catch a little too much compression, yeah, the ball's going to be over the green, right? Whereas if you kind of just slow down the rhythm a little bit, you could be able to control the angle of the path, shallow things out just a little bit, so we can even use the balance even a little bit more to spread out that lower part of the swing. To have a little bit more control over distance and spin, but also distance control of the loft delivery. The loft delivery is a big thing when it comes to wedges, right? You're hitting that ball pretty high and pretty aggressively, so I can see that you're steep and using a lot of loft. If we shallow things out but deliver the same amount of loft, that ball should go a little bit lower, but also make the swing a little bit more forgiving because you're basically lengthening the bottom of the swing. It's like if that leading edge digs into the ground, right, we know that's trouble. So the sole slides along the ground, we can kind of get away with a little bit of a miss.
Right.
Okay, so can you slow the overall rhythm of it?
Yep.
Maybe like a 1, 2, 1, 2. Good. There you go. You're actually striking the ground a little bit before the ball now. That's fantastic. Good. A little better rhythm. Now I know you tend to have a faster pace to your swing, but the ones I saw before, in comparison to that one, super aggressive.
Okay.
Good. And I'm going to guess that's your 58 degree?
Yep.
Okay, your next loft edge down is, I believe, a 52, correct?
Right.
Do you like to use the 58 around the green mostly?
It all depends on what I have in the way of shot. A lot of these greens are deeper, so if I have something from here to the back of the green, I'd rather use the 52.
Okay. Did you have as big of a problem controlling the 52 in terms of distance?
No.
Why do you think?
The longer shots, I feel freer it just frees me up. You know, I always get caught up like in the middle of my backswing thinking, well, is it too long or is it not long enough? And then I'll end up getting a little too quick, trying to compensate, get a little steep and jump something on the short side. With the longer ones, I feel like the stroke is a little more flowing. I'm able to slow it down and gauge distance a little better.
Okay.
So,
Okay. Yeah, go for it. So your miss with these short irons is left. So let's figure out why you get a little pull going. Good example? Been happening quite a bit?
Yep.
What do you feel?
I feel like the hand at impact is breaking down, and it's almost like a decel, and whenever the club decels, it turns left on me. So that's where my miss is coming from. When I hold the club firm at impact and just rotate with my core, the ball for the most part will stay straight.
Okay.
If worst case scenario, I have a baby cut on it. But a lot of times due to the injury I had, I get to impact and I kind of relax the hand and it shuts down on me. So the misses are going to always go left.
Relax the right hand, you say?
Yeah, at impact. So when I'm getting here, it kind of dies and you can see the face is always going to turn left on me.
Yeah, and that's what I was going to show you on here, is that your path is actually still good. You're still a degree and a half to the right.
Right.
Your path being 3.5 degrees to the left is going to cause that.
Right.
Now let's do a little drill here that'll help keep this right hand a little stronger, but also keep that face a little bit more to the right. Because for you, your right hand is key when it comes to the club face, correct?
Exactly.
Okay, if you could take your setup, move that club back into a parallel position. There you go. Good. Right. Now take your right hand and relax your right hand, but then put it flat on top of the grip. Good. Here, go ahead and feel like you get the right hand pushing through impact. Okay, what's the face doing? Yeah, but it's staying open. So that right hand push feel is going to help keep that face in place for you. So when that right hand feels like it's breaking down, make a couple practice swings and feel that right hand on top. Feel that right hand push happen. When that right hand push happens, the body's going to rotate to support that motion. Right? You're going to push. I'm not even turning this, but my body's going to support that motion. So the lower body, the legs, the hips, the core, all of that's going to turn. All because that right hand is simply pushing through, with that right hand push, we know again the club head stays stable. So I'm moving the ball on a tee here.
Yeah, well, that's a good question, right? How do I
And I'm going to have you hit a ball. We're going to see if we can get that ball started right of that stick that you see about 15 feet in front of us.
The only way to get over there, like I said,
I want you to feel that right hand push. Now it could be a 3/4 swing. I want to feel like it stays fairly low.
I'm just not rotating enough. I can't make that left hand.
There you go. See that ball's kind of staying out to the right. Did you feel any release or flip of that right hand at all?
No, not at all.
Good. So
I was actually able to compress it pretty well too.
good. So if we take a look at the numbers, path is neutral, so 0.03 left, so right down the line. But then the face is 3 degrees to the right. All because of that push feel, right? So if you start feeling that break down again,